Have you ever wondered, am I really doing what God has called me to do? You know, one of the greatest struggles that every emerging kingdom influencer faces is not being in their God given assignment. Every day can be the same uncertainty repeating itself. Now, you might be facing a transition in your life, or maybe you got to make some important decisions, or you're finding that you have limited time and resources, hoping that one day maybe you'll get a breakthrough, experience what you know is possible, and really hit your dream of living that blessed life that He promised you. Hi, I'm Lori Lynn Green, and I am the creator of the Assignment Workshop. Today, that struggle of uncertainty about your assignment is about to change. I created the 3-hour assignment workshop to help emerging kingdom influencers just like you discover your God-given assignment without wondering if you're doing what God's called you to do. Since 2012, I've helped hundreds of emerging kingdom influencers reach assignment alignment. And on October 29th, that's Saturday, October 29th, this is your opportunity to do the same in a highly interactive experience. Now, as a board-certified advanced Christian life coach, trainer, I've mentored and certified multiple coaches, and as a radio host and owner of the In It Together Media, I've reached tens of thousands worldwide. As an ordained minister and founder of Emerging Kingdom Influencers, I guide and inspire emerging kingdom influencers by helping them identify their unique spiritual gifts and skills from their acquired life experiences. And this is so that they can get aligned in their God-given assignment without needlessly exhausting their efforts. And by the end of the 3-hour workshop, you'll have clarity for your God-given assignment as we identify what you've already been prepared for in this season of life. Click below, start the $495 assignment workshop for only $49 now.